Milwaukee M18 fuel, second generation mid torque. 3 amp battery fully charged. This is an 8-inch lag. Wow, is that all it's going to put it in? It's not really all that warm. Wow, now it's warming up. Okay, wow, that's as far as it'll go? Let's try a 6-inch lag. Wow, that's pretty warm, but I'm shocked it could only install it that far. I'm pretty sure my DeWalt XR DCF 891 could do it better than that, but I'll have to try that one out. But pretty warm. Well, this is an 8-inch lag. It only goes down that far, and that's a 6-inch. You see how thick these are. This is 15/16 socket. So that's as far as this will go. Wow, it's warm. I'll have to start doing temperatures on these, but see if I can back this off. Forget it. It's already too warm now. Well, okay. Well, I'm going to leave this 6-inch lag in to try to remove it with this in a few days and see how fast I can do it. Okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.